Hello guys, welcome to my channel with another troubleshooting video. So today we are having some issue with oxygen meter that is installed in IG control panel. So along with the troubleshooting part, I will also explain why IG is needed in gas carriers and how it works. So let's start the video. Inert gas generator plays an important role in gas carrier. This inert gas generator makes inert gas that is we call as IG. This IG prevents fires and explosions by displacing oxygen in cargo hold spaces. This is why we put inert gas in cargo hold space so that if LPG leaks from cargo tank and comes in cargo hold space, it will not form flammable mixture. So guys, this is the picturized version of fully refrigerated LPG cargo tank, and I'm sorry about my drawing is not good, but you can find the same drawing in Google also. So we put dry IG in the cargo hold space, that is here, and dry IG is necessary for insulation purpose, because if IG is not dry, there will be a condensation in the cargo hold space and there will be a bilge alarm for cargo hold space. Also, if the LPG, that is our cargo, gets leaked, it will come in the cargo hold space, and if our IG is not dry, then it will get mixed with the condensation IG, that is water, in the IG. So cargo will be deteriorated and its quality will not be the same. That is why IG in the cargo hold space always be dry. And in our cargo control room, we monitor the cargo hold space pressure. If it is less than 4 to 5 kPa, then we top up IG in the cargo hold space. So let's understand the mimic drawing of IG plant, including refrigeration unit and dryer unit. And this is where we make IG inside the chamber. So we have fuel pump, so to pass fuel oil, and we have blower to pass atmospheric air. This fuel oil and air in the combustion chamber form combustion mixture. Fuel and air combustion causes carbon soot, because to maintain oxygen we reduce air, so that oxygen remain 1% or less. We also reduce air to maintain air fuel ratio. So to remove carbon soot from combustion exhaust, scrubber is used. This is a scrubber, which is a seawater coming in the chamber, and soot is removed from the exhaust and clean IG is generated from combustion exhaust. Now our IG will pass through the demister. This is the demister. This demister will only let the IG to pass, as this IG contains water, so it will not let pass the water and let only pass the IG, and water from here will go to overboard through gravity. So from the IG plant, the IG will pass through refrigeration unit, as it is contains some amount of water, so it will pass to the refrigeration unit to remove the water. After that, from refrigeration unit, IG will pass through the dryer unit where the moisture will be removed in the dryer. By the way, I'll make a separate video about how refrigeration unit works and dryer unit works, because if I explain in detail about refrigeration unit and dryer unit, the length of the video will be more lengthy. So coming to the topic again, the IG from the dryer unit will go to cargo hold space tank only if this oxygen ionizers showing oxygen 1% or 1.5%, because if the oxygen analyzer showing the O2 content 1% or 1.5%, then the oxygen going in the tank is around 3 to 4%. That is why it should show around 1 to 1.5%. And if the O2 content is high, then IG will not go in the cargo tank. Instead, it will go in the atmosphere until and unless oxygen will not come around 1 to 1.5%. And that is why I said in the beginning, we keep the air in the combustion chamber less so that our oxygen remain 1 to 1.5%. So this is how our IG plant works, and this plant works in auto mode because there are so many pressure sensors, pressure transmitter, pressure switch, temperature switch, temperature sensor for scrubber unit, oxygen analyzer, automatic valves. All these automations make the IG to run in auto mode. Electrical officer job is to take care of these automations. That is why I am explaining this topic. So this is the giant blower which extract atmospheric air and pass this atmospheric air in the combustion chamber. And this is where the combustion is happening. You can see from the side glass also to check the color of the flame. And this pipeline is the seawater pipeline coming from scrubber pump to IG chamber. And this is the demister which let pass only IG, and the scrubber water will get overboard through gravity. From demister, this IG will pass through the pipeline to refrigeration unit. So gas engineer told me the oxygen content meter in the panel sometimes showing erratic reading and sometimes it is showing proper reading. And also he said that water level controller display is not showing anything. So we begin our troubleshooting to resolve this issue. So first I decided to check the water level controller. This is the circuit diagram of water level controller. So as the display is not working, so first we'll check the power is available to the controller or not. So L4 and P1 is the power line which is connected to the controller at terminal 9 and terminal 25. So we'll measure the voltage across this terminal. So we able to locate the terminal 25 and terminal 9. So we'll measure the voltage across this terminal to check that power is available to the controller or not. as this controller is 12 volt DC, and when we measure the voltage we found 14 volt. That means the power is present in the controller and the controller is itself faulty. We make requisition for new controller. And about erratic reading of oxygen in IgG panel, our oxygen is showing correctly in oxygen analyzer meter. This oxygen analyzer gives feedback to oxygen meter installed in IgG panel. That means this display installed in IgG panel is not working, and will raise requisition for the display also. So that's it guys for this video. I hope you understand the concept of IgG plant. And as we don't have spare for the water level controller and oxygen meter in IgG panel, we'll make requisition for the new one. So for the next video I will be explaining IG chiller plant in detail. So please like my channel, subscribe, share and comment. So bye for now.